Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford Escape S. Coming in this nice greenish blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look back here, we do get a dual exhaust, your backup camera, roof spoiler, mud flaps on the rear and front, some nice black trim on this vehicle, blind spot detection. We do get a block heater on this vehicle, which is perfect for keeping that nice battery warm with license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got a 12 volt, you got a hook here, plenty of storage with a light, hooks and doodads down here with additional storage underneath with a spare tire. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, which is always handy. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray black cloth interior, floor mats, adjustable rear seats, plenty of door space in the back with the nice texture on here as well, 12 volt, and plenty of leg room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get a manual driver's seat and passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, you got your lights all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 81,870 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get My View, which has a digital speedometer, driving assist, audio, phone, settings, trip 1, fave apps, and all that fun. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, which do include normal, eco, sport, slippery, deep sand and snow. We got cup holders over here with storage, outlets, all that fun. And we do get your normal storage in the glove compartment with the USB-C. Climate controls here with the rear window defrost, hazards, storage below, a little infotainment system here. You have a little number keypad here. Got your music with AM, FM, all that jazz, Bluetooth, hazards, and shifting to reverse, you do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UB64915A, and you can head on into PG for it or give us a call.